Imagine earning passive income from real estate without the hassle of owning property, dealing with tenants, or worrying about maintenance. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it is possible with RentFi. Let's dive into how this blockchain powered platform is changing real estate forever. You know, real estate is often seen as one of the best ways to build wealth. People talk about it as a reliable, long-term investment that can generate passive income and appreciate in value over time. But in reality, getting into real estate isn't as simple as it sounds. There are some serious challenges that make it difficult for the average person to participate. First, let's talk about high entry barriers. Unlike stocks, where you can start investing with just a few dollars, real estate requires a significant amount of capital upfront. Buying property isn't cheap, and even if you can afford the purchase, there are additional costs: property taxes, maintenance, insurance, and legal fees. Then comes the challenge of management. If you are renting out the property, you have to deal with tenants, repair, and all the responsibilities that comes with being a landlord. And if you want to avoid that, hiring a property manager just adds another expense to the equation. Then there is issue of liquidity. Let's say you own a property and suddenly needs access to cash. Unlike stocks, where you can sell instantly, real estate is a slow and complex process. Finding a buyer takes time. Negotiations can drag on for weeks or even months, and even after securing a deal, there are legal procedures and paperwork that delay the process further. You can't just sell a fraction of your property when you need quick funds. It's all or nothing. And of course, there is the complexity of regulations and taxes. Every region has different rules regarding property ownership, rental laws, zoning restriction, and tax policies. If you own real estate in multiple locations, keeping up with the legal and financial requirements can be overwhelming. The amount of paperwork involved is enough to make one think twice. For years, real estate has been an exclusive market, accessible only to those who can afford the high costs, navigate the legal complexities, and wait for months or even years to realize their return. But what if there was a way to change that? What if real estate could be more accessible, liquid, and easy to manage? That's exactly what RentFi is solving and is about to change the game. RentFi is a blockchain-based real estate investment plan that allows users to earn rental income without owning a property. By holding rent, users and investors gain exposure to rental property yields without the traditional barriers of real estate investment. Rent is the utility token powering RentFi ecosystem. It is given as fractional monthly dividends in RentFi real estate portfolio. Rent is built on Solana blockchain. One would ask, why Solana blockchain? Firstly, for low fees, reducing the cost for users, fast transaction, and also for global accessibility. RentFi generates rental income from real estate properties across North America, Latin America, and Europe. Earlier, we discussed the problems with traditional real estate. Now, let's dive into the key benefits of RentFi. Let's start with low entry barriers. Unlike traditional real estate, where you need huge amount of capital, extensive legal knowledge, and management expertise, RentFi makes it easy for anyone to get started. No need for a six-figure bank balance or years of industrial experience. Just a simple, accessible way to reinvest in real estate without the usual hurdles. And here, where it gets even better, passive income. One of the biggest draws of real estate investing is the ability to earn steady cash flow, but traditional methods often require active involvement. With RentFi, you can earn monthly yields without having to deal with tenant repairs or property maintenance. It's real estate income simplified. Now let's talk about sustainability. RentFi operates on a 50-50 sustainable model, which ensures a balanced and transparent system. Half of the platform revenue is distributed as reward to rent holders. The remaining 50% is used to buy, rent, and then bond in order to reduce the supply and therefore increase the scarcity. This model not only benefits investors but also strengthens the long-term viability of the platform. Another key advantage is diversification. Instead of putting all your money into a single property in one location, RentFi give you access to a diversified portfolio of real estate assets across North America, Latin America, and Europe. This geographical spread reduces risk and maximizes opportunities, ensuring that your investment is not tied to the ups and downs of a single market. And perhaps one of the biggest reliefs: no property management hustle. No more late night calls about broken pipes, no dealing with difficult tenants, and no chasing down rent payment. RentFi takes care of everything, so you can enjoy the benefits of real estate investing without the stress. At the end of the day, RentFi is redefining real estate. It makes it more accessible, profitable, and hassle-free for everyday investors. Whether you are looking to earn passive income, diversify your investment, or simply take advantage of a smarter, more efficient real estate model, RentFi is the future. By now, you understand how RentFi is revolutionizing real estate investing. But the big question is, how do you get started and start earning? Well, it is incredibly simple. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, head over to www.rentfi.io. Once you are on the website, click on Trade on Radium. This will take you to the platform where you can buy rent, the token that powers the RentFi ecosystem. Now, to qualify for earnings, you will buy a minimum of 1,000 rent token. This isn't just a random number, it's the threshold that allows you to participate in the revenue sharing model. Once you have your token, the next step is easy. Just hold them. All you need to do is hold your rent token for at least 15 days. No complex staking, no need for actively trading. Just hold and you automatically qualify for a proportional share of the rental income. Here is where the magic happens. Every month, RentFi distributes rental income to qualified holders, paid directly in rent token. This means you are earning a steady passive income simply by being part of the ecosystem. And since RentFi operates on a sustainable 50-50 model where half of the revenue is bond, this helps maintain long-term value while rewarding the community. So there you have it. RentFi is making real estate investing more accessible, liquid, and hassle-free. No more high entry barriers, no more complex management, no more waiting months to see return. With just 1,000 rents and 15 days of holding, you can start earning passive income from a diversified portfolio of properties across the globe. This isn't just another crypto project. It's a real solution to real estate biggest problem. Whether you are looking for steady monthly income, sustainable investment model, or a stress-free way to get into real estate, RentFi has you covered. The future of real estate is changing, and now it is time to be part of it. Visit www.rentfi.io, get your rent token, and start earning today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.